Welcome to this Art of Flow meditation for when you're tired, allowing yourself to just let go of all the thoughts that haven't been serving you by focusing on your breath and getting comfortable in a seated or lying down position. You using the sounds of the exhales to just calm the entire mind and body into a sense of presence and allowing all the internal vocabulary, that self-talk, the thoughts you keep thinking, to just come to a calm stillness. No longer allowing things like, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, there's too much to do, not enough time, that attitude. Just let it go. Smile at it. Understand all the reasons why you are tired, why you may not have as much energy right now, but then choose to feel how you want to feel, to think the thoughts you want to think, and to move towards what is wanted or desired, a feeling of ease and freedom and clarity and calmness. You have the choice to replace those thoughts of, I'm exhausted, I'm tired, with, I got this, it's getting better, I know what to do, all is well, it's going to be okay, it's getting better, everything's working out for me. Or just silence. Allow yourself to just breathe and be and focus on feeling. Breathing in deep into the belly, all the way up into the head, and sighing it out all the way. Deeper and deeper relaxation over mind and body with each and every inhale and exhale, an opportunity to just focus into the here and now. Bringing your attention and awareness inside your body. Maybe feel your heart beating, your blood pulsing, or taking your attention to the place behind your forehead, this third eye area. Just take your awareness as if you are focusing your gaze with your eyes closed, or your energetic awareness and attention and concentration just on this place inside you, and feel the nothingness and then freedom of no thought by just letting go of everything that arises. Using this time and space to practice compassion, to practice a new pathway of how you want to feel, choosing to be courageous, because true courage is simply standing strong in the face of adversity, allowing yourself to really be who you are, no matter what is happening in the circumstance, unconditionally, feeling good, because that's what you came here to do, to be free, to grow, and all in the sense of joy. With satisfaction as your guidance, and this stream of well-being always available, choose to just let go of the thoughts that no longer serve you, the beliefs that keep on circulating are no longer who you are. What has happened is not who you are. Who you are is who you choose to be by how I choose to think and how I choose to feel. And I choose to feel empowered. I choose to at least feel relief and release. I release myself from the need to be more, do more, have more. I just let go and I become more of who I really am, as I am perfect as I am. And I am more than enough right here, right now. I thank myself for creating this space, for clearing my mind and letting the flow just glow within me, for choosing to find positive aspects about what I can control, which is truly only how I feel and what I think. No longer do I care about the perspective of others. I'm not explaining my story of why or what is, even when they're not listening and it's in my own head, because I'm choosing to rewrite my story. I'm choosing to say the words, do the things, and feel the things that serve me most as I recreate who I am and who I am becoming by being my best and not caring about the rest. I can simply let go and feel that eternal flow of love and well-being that is natural to who I am. And I no longer need to identify with this thought pattern that's helped me become stronger, that's helped me realize what I want and who I want to become and what I truly desire for me and what will help me be free. I choose to be free. I free myself from what was, from what is, from the limitations that no longer serve me. As I let go into the present moment, into the stream of satisfaction, and replace any self-talk that I know is no longer part of that flow by just saying, I let go. I am perfect as I am. All is well. Everything is working out for me. I'm doing this. It's getting better. I choose to feel good. I am. I am. I am. know that whenever and wherever I can always come back to this state and place of inner freedom, of choosing the thoughts I want to think, of feeling the way I want to feel, and directing my momentum downstream with the flow towards where I want to go, not battling all that resistance, not going against the stream of what I know to be true for me, thinking thoughts of unworthiness, disbelief, doubt, anything outside positive love and appreciation is just contrast and me growing, learning what I want more of, and learning how to choose it and move towards it within my own thoughts, my own feelings, and the words and actions that are a result of how I feel and what I think. And I am now empowered to be who I want to be, to release the story of what was, and become who I'm meant to be, and free abundantly. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my mind, body, and soul for falling into this state of stillness, of alignment in my thoughts, feelings, and actions, allowing me to really feel free and just be me so I can let go and feel that healing flow of well-being that is eternally within me.